同学们好. Hello, Year 4. This week, instead of just doing a voiceover, I thought I would do a video because I wanted to show you about quarters rather than just telling you. So we're going to use an actual clock today, and hopefully this will make it a bit easier for you. All right, so last week we did hours and half past. So last week we learned DN. So DN for o'clock. So we did san DN for 3 o'clock, and then DN, the number first, and then DN, and then Wu DN, 5 o'clock, Liu DN, etc. Okay. Then for half past, we learnt it was ban. So if it goes to 6:30, we have Liu DN ban, because ban always comes after the DN. All right, so Liu DN ban, or san DN ban for 3:30. All right, this week we're going to add quarters. So the word for quarter in Chinese is ke. 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 You'll see that on your slide a little bit later. So they do it like this. So they say, if it's 3:15, they say san dian yi ke. That's 3 o'clock and 1/4, or 3:15, as we would say in English. San dian yi ke. So 15 minutes, 1/4. Okay, if you look at your clock, that is how it works out, because we've got 5, 10, 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, there is no such thing as 2 quarters, because that's just half past, and we just say ban. Okay, so then it skips to 3:45. So 3:45, they say san dian san ke. So 3 o'clock and 3/4, or 45 minutes. Okay, because we've got, so we've got 1/4, 15 minutes, 2 quarters, and then which we don't use the actual word for, and 3/4, which makes 45 minutes. So san dian san ke. Okay, so let's give you another example. We'll go a few more. So we've got qi dian. So 7:15 would be qi dian yi ke. 7:15. Okay. Qi dian yi ke. And then for 7:45, we would say qi dian san ke. 7 o'clock and 3/4, or 7:45. Qi dian san ke. Okay. Last word on your slide for this week, guys, is fenzhong, which means minute. Now the Chinese do what Aussies do a lot, which is shortening words. So a lot of the time they don't actually say fenzhong, they just say fen. But that's a conversation we'll have next week. So that's just a heads up. We're doing minutes next week, but for today we're focusing on our hours, half hours, and quarters. Have a great week, everybody. 再见.